Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am preparing okra or lady's finger curry. Let's start with the recipe. First I am shallow frying the okras. So in a pan add around a tablespoon and a half of any cooking oil and add the cut okras. After that just squeeze 4 or 5 drops of lemon. It helps to get rid of the stickiness of the okras very easily. And then coat the okras with the oil nicely. And initially do not keep on mixing it. Just cover it for 2 minutes and then open it and give it a good mix. And you have to repeat this step until the okras are nicely fried and the stickiness of the okras are gone. Now the okras are nicely fried. Take them out and keep it aside. Again in the same pan add around a tablespoon of oil, and when it gets heated add mustard seeds half a teaspoon, and when they splutter add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and some urad dal, curry leaves and half teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, and saute it till the raw flavor of ginger and garlic goes away. And now add 1 medium sized onion chopped and 2 or 3 green chilies chopped, and saute it till the onions are half cooked. Now add the chopped tomatoes. Here I am using 1 tomato. Just cook it for few minutes. We don't want the tomatoes to be overly mashed. And now add the fried okras. Give it a good mix. Add the basic masalas like salt, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix the masalas nicely. And garnish it with some cilantro. The curry will be ready to be served with hot chapatis, rotis, or it will even go with the parathas. To watch my other recipes, click the link displaying on the screen. And for the written recipes, please visit my blog cookwithshrutisajjan.blogspot.com. And if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.